All right, good evening and welcome to today's class. Today, I would like us to attend to the questions I gave us yesterday. It will really help you to track your work, to know how good your work is, or probably you need some touches, or you're okay with what you did. So let's actually help ourselves this evening. The questions we are four in number, so we're going to attend to all of them as fast as possible. All right. Now, the first one says 1 that sin y is equal to cos 26. And we establish or identities rather that says that sin y is equal to cos into bracket 90 minus y. So I'm going to replace this with this in the first line. So I'm going to have cos 90 minus y is equal to cos 26. So the cos cancel out. I'm left with 90 minus y is equal to 26. Alright, now at this point we collect like terms. We have that minus y is equal to 26 minus 90. Minus y is equal to minus what's it called? 64. Negative cancel negative. Therefore, y is equal to 64. So it means that sin 64 is equal to cos 26. Alright, let's continue. The second one says cos 2x is equal to sin 7x. Alright, then let's also refer to the identity earlier established. Now cos x is equal to sine into bracket 90 minus x, so that cos 2x is equal to sine into bracket 90 minus 2x. So going with this, I will have that I'm going to replace this with this in this first line. So I'm going to have sine 90 minus 2x bracket close is equal to sine 7x. Sine remove sine. So we have 90 minus 2x is equal to 7x. We will collect like terms. We are going to have that 90 is equal to 7x plus 2x. So in summary, we are going to have that 90 is equal to 9x. When we divide both sides by 9, we're going to have that x is equal to 10. That means coming back here, 2 times 10 is 20. 7 times 10 is 70. That means cos 20 is equal to sine 70. Alright? Now let's take the next one. Let me demarcate. I want to economize this space. There shall be no loss, no wastes. Alright, the third one says sine 2x minus cos 3x is equal to 0. Okay, we make the equation to be like this. The equation becomes sine 2x is equal to cos 3x. All right. Now, going with our identity, all right, this will give me, it means that sine 2x will actually give me cos 90 minus 2x. So I'm going to replace this with this in this place. So I'm going to have cos into 90 minus 2x is equal to cos 3x. So we have 90 minus 2x is equal to 3x. Now at this point, I'm going to have that 90 is equal to x. Sorry, pardon please. Is equal to 2x plus 3x. All right. So I have 90 is equal to 5x. Dividing both sides by 5, I have that x is equal to 5 and 5 is 1, remains 4 here. 5 and 40 is 8. Okay. Now the fourth one. Fourth one says cos y is equal to sine y plus 28. Let's go. Now we have that cos y is equal to sine 90 minus y. So replacing this with this in this first equation, I'm going to have sine into brackets 90 minus y is equal to sine into bracket y plus 28. So I'm left with 90 minus y is equal to y plus 28. All right. So I'm going to have that 90 minus 28 is equal to y plus y. So 90 minus 28 will give me 62 is equal to 2y. That means if I divide both, okay, let's start from here again. Let me demarcate this place. Let me go. So from here, I have 62 is equal to 2y. So to get y, divide both sides by 2. 2 divided 2, I have y left. 2 in 6 is 3. 2 in 2 is 1. So y is 31 degrees. All these numbers we got are in degrees, please, because these are angles. Okay, so this is a solution to yesterday's problem. Kindly go through to know where thou hast fallen, then arise and walk again. All right, see you in the next class tomorrow. Bye for now.